Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in drops, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. Research the dropshipping market thoroughly. Identify trending products that have high demand and low competition. Utilize tools like Google Trends, social media platforms, and e-commerce forums to gather insights. Choose a niche that interests you and aligns with market demands. A focused niche often leads to better engagement with your target audience. Next, select a reliable supplier. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Saleho are excellent starting points. Ensure the supplier has a strong reputation, quality products, and reliable shipping times. Create your online store using platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces to help you set up your store with ease. Design your store with a clean layout and simple navigation. Add high-quality images and compelling product descriptions to captivate potential customers. Set competitive pricing for your products. Check the prices of similar products in your niche to remain attractive yet profitable. Implement marketing strategies to drive traffic to your store. Utilize social media campaigns, pay-per-click ads, and search engine optimization. Engage with your potential customers through email marketing and content creation. Monitor the performance of your marketing efforts using analytics tools. Understanding your metrics will help refine your strategies over time. Once orders come in, ensure excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries and address any concerns that may arise. Stay informed about changes in the market and trends. Adaptation is key to long-term success in dropshipping. Finally, always seek ways to improve your business. Evaluate and tweak your processes regularly to enhance efficiency and customer satisfaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.